everyone. Welcome to today's Voice of 及人.
This is Queenie.
This is Ken.
Ken, where's Ted? I haven't seen him around lately.
He's on vacation. His family went on a cruise to the Caribbean.
Wow, I wish I could go on a cruise.
Me too. It's my dream vacation.
My dream vacation is a cruise to Alaska. I hear it's beautiful.
It sounds fantastic.
My family usually goes skiing for vacation. I like skiing, but I want to try something different.
Like what?
Have you ever heard of the news?
What's the news?
Electric airplane testing in America. Let's check it out.
What?
No way! Yes way! It's time for News for Kids! News for Kids!
真的假的？
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 原来如此！
原来如此！你不知道的趣味新鲜事。
ICRT's News for Kids.
Hi students, today we're talking about electric vehicles. 我们今天要讲的是电动交通工具。There are electric bicycles, electric cars, and even electric buses. The world is changing. Now, there is even an electric airplane. 现在有电动脚踏车、电动车、电动巴士，甚至还有电动飞机。No way! That's amazing! A new electric airplane. They are testing the electric airplane in America. This electric airplane is small. It can carry just 11 people. 现在美国在测试电动飞机，这台飞机很小，只能载11个人。And after testing, if everything is safe, some companies will start using small electric airplanes for short trips with only a few people. 经过测试，如果一切安全，有一些公司就会用来进行短程旅行。But in just a few years, electric airplanes will get bigger and stronger. One day, very soon, airplane companies are going to make big electric airplanes. Maybe one day, you'll fly to Europe or America in an electric plane. 也许有一天，我们就可以搭电动飞机去欧洲或美国了。That would be so nice. It would be so quiet, and it would be much, much better for the environment. 它们会很安静，而且对环境也很好。I can hardly believe it, but electric airplanes are here. Soon, maybe every kind of vehicle in the world will use electric power.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Stay tuned to next week's Voice of 及人. Bye bye.